Uh, Hello, hi Amit. Your spell in the last game, your first T20I in more than 5 years, but you still have all those Yorkers and the bouncers. So, how special was that coming after 5 years after all those injuries and helping Afghanistan to win that day?
Thank you very much. It was a great comeback for me, especially after 5 years taking long break. I was fit enough to play like cricket, but couldn't make it to the national side. Last tour against Zimbabwe, I was part of the team, but couldn't get my Dubai visa on time, so I missed that. And for last couple of months, or if I say a couple of years, I was just practicing hard and to get there and get the opportunity. Day before yesterday, I bowled very well, and I was very happy that I have performed very well, and Afghanistan win that game.
And another one from me, like the injury I was talking about was like a couple of years earlier, not recently. Around that time, you were also a commentator in the Shpagiza League, and you were also sort of a bowling coach for Afghanistan, I believe. So how did you sort of manage like doing all these roles and also training with the physio during that time?
Yeah, that's true. I'm self-believer person and very hardworking person. I never give up very quickly. And during the 2019 World Cup also, I was commentating against Afghanistan against Ireland in Dehradun. During period time in practice sessions, like during commentary time, like 1 hour break, I went to the ground, had running in fitness training and then bowling. So I managed myself always and just trying to keeping working hard because it was just part of uh, like of the cricket and was a like experience for me in, as a commentator. And I was there like not a professional coach, if I say, but I help always my youngsters for Afghanistan. If I'm in Afghanistan or outside Afghanistan, they always connect with me, asking me questions, like especially the youngsters who's in the team now, and some of them in back home in Afghanistan. So I would love to help my youngsters. Whatever I have in my experience, I'm always sharing with them.
Thank you.
Thank you, Hamid. We move to Anuj Mishra next.
Amit, having impressed with the fighting spirit shown by Afghanistan in the T20 World Cup, do you feel confident in defeating India tomorrow, considering India batting has struggled in the last two games?
Mashallah, Afghanistan is a very good side. If you see batting, bowling, fielding is much improved. We have one of the best spinners in the world, Nabi, Rashid, Mujib, and now it's a proper complete squad. If you see a top order, sometimes they click, sometimes they stuck. But the good sign is middle order is getting runs, especially Skipper and Gulbadi in the middle. But the good news is that we haven't get out all of the wickets so far. Just 5 or 6 batsmen get out, but we have long batting side until number 9, I think. So most of the batsmen they can hit. Even Rashid hadn't bat yet. So we have good opportunity against India. If we score good runs on the board, inshallah we can defeat them by bowling and fielding.
Thank you, Hamid. Baidur Joe next.
Hamid, while you've spoken about the quality of your spinners, but the problem has been with the Indian top order with the new ball. So how big an impact is, or rather, how big an opportunity is it for somebody like you to come in and get those early breakthroughs?
Well, it will depend on the wicket, how it behaves. We'll see how it's going, and we will work on our plans, what we have got, and we'll see the situation, how it's going on. And we can't decide and we can't say anything before the game or like we will win, we will do that. But inshallah, we'll try our best to give our 100% in the game, if it's spinners or fast bowlers.
Thank you. Muhammad Ibrahim. Muhammad, can you hear us?
سلام حمید سلام جوړ په خیر حمید دا
Hello.
چې افغانستان د لوبې ګټلې او هندستان د لوبې بایلل دي دا به د افغانستان لپاره څومره پوزټیو ساين چې سبا لوبه کې په کوم مومنټم باندې کوم ګورال باندې دوی لوبېږي او یو داسې وروسته د بوزمه تا هند سره یوازې یو لوبه کړې ده 2018 کې هغه کې هم تا درې اورونو کې اته منډې ورکړې وي او یو وکټ یې اخیستی وه آیا هغه وکټ در یاده چې هغه کوم لوبغاړی دی آوټ کړی و
بالکل مې یاد ده مرلی ویجی و زه به راشم ستا سوال ته ابراهیم جان داسې دی چې ماشاءالله د هلکانو مورال ډېر ټیټ دی الحمدلله او ټیم هم ډېر کانفیډنټ کې دی په ورلډ کپ کې 2 میچه ګټل دونه اسانه کار نه دی خو د که چې هغه رقم ټیم وي بیا هم په ټیم باندې پریشر وي نو دغه 2 میچه زموږ ګټل او د انډیا 2 میچه بایلل دا یو غټ تفاوت هم لري سر غورځوي خامخا انډیا که تاسو وګورئ په دنیا بهترین لوبغاړي پکې شته په ټیم کې هیڅ شک دی کې نشته هغه بالینګ دی که بیټینګ دی خو دا 2 میچه بایلل هغوی باندې حتما پریشر غورځوي او د افغانستان داسې ټیم دی چې فکر نه کوم ټیم ورته داسې په اسانۍ غاړه کېږدي چې وله بس دا خو اسانه ټیم دی راځي میچ یې ګټو انشاءالله زموږ به پوره کوشش وي ټف ټایم ورته ورکړو سخت وخت ورته ورکړو پوره هڅه به موندی چې د خیره ګټې ته لاړ شو مننه
Thank you. Shubham Madan, you're next.
Yeah. Hi, Hamid. My
Hi.
question is to you is that, like being in the crunch game situation, how do you people keep yourself mind calm and cool at the pressure games?
Just believe on ourselves and Allah. That's what we do all the time, and we have to become, because if you get pressure in the game, and then you know what will happen. So you lost your concentration, you can't focus, and that will impact to the team, to the players, and you can't win the game. So it's better to be calm and cool and focus in whatever you give from the coaches. They give the plan, so you have to be focused on that.
Yeah.
Thank you. Devaraya Muthu, you're next.
Thank you. And hi, Hamid, again. Like, you were part of Afghanistan's first ever squad for the T20 World Cup in 2010 in the Caribbean. Like, you are here again. Like, I think Naveen Ulhaq was like 10 years old when he saw you bowling in that World Cup, and you're now his hero. So how do you look at the progress, and now like you're the mentor to younger bowlers like Naveen?
Yeah, true. Like that was our first World Cup for Afghanistan in cricket history, 2010 in Caribbean, and I was part of the team on that time. And I'm luckily again part of the team of this T20 World Cup. And that time it was for us very new. Everything was like very different. A big occasion, playing against one of the best teams in the world. It was such a brilliant experience of my life to play against like South Africa and India in 2010. And right now you see the players, they're very famous, playing much cricket all around the world. And it's one of the best, if I say a sign for Afghanistan future for the cricket, that players are involving in the different leagues, different cricket all over the world. And I have to say Naveen is one of the best option and one of the best name for Afghanistan, that he improved a lot from the last couple of years, playing T20 cricket mostly. Every part of the league in the world he played, just only I think one IPL left. Maybe hopefully he will get a chance there as well. The way he's performing in this World Cup, he's brilliant.
Thank you, Hamid. Nikhil, you're next.
Yeah. Hi, Amit. My question is, does the team, there is a talk in the dressing room about qualifying for the semi-finals, or is the team taking one match at a time? Because if you beat India tomorrow, you have a chance to go through. Or are you guys taking it one by one?
Honestly, we just focusing game one by one, but the plan is to qualify to the semi-final, inshallah. And we can't say before that, oh, we beat India, we beat the day we have playing against any team, we just focus on the same day. And for the next game or for the next day, we will make a. So the plan is clear, just playing one game and targeting one team. And rest of the other matches, we will see what will happen next.
Thank you. Kaushik Das.
Yeah, hi. My question is, how hard was it to prepare for this World Cup with all the things going on in Afghanistan? How hard is it mentally and physically?
we are mentally fine, we are physically super fine. So for us, no issues. We always enjoy cricket, we love cricket. There's no any problem for us. And if we are out of the country or in Afghanistan, we always practice, and there's no any issue for us.
Okay, thank you. Thanks.
Thank you.
Thank you. Ajmal Samadi.
سلامونه زموږ ملي لوبغاړی حمید حسن صاحب تاسو څومره د افغانستان چانس وینئ چې سیمي فاینل ته وځي او په دې اړه باندې د افغانستان خلکو ته یو خوشحالي خبر ورکړئ څومره چانس افغانستان لري په عادي لوبو کې
وختي مې دغه بل ورور ته وویلې په انګلیسي کې مې جواب ورکړلو موږ یو میچ انشاءالله ټارګټ کوو خو غټه اراده هم دا ده چې د خیر سیمي فاینل ته لاره پیدا کړو انشاءالله امید هم ډېر شته ځکه چې څنګه ماشاءالله هلکان خواري کوي پرفارمنس کوي نو امید ډېر دی د خیر سیمي فاینل ته لاره پیدا کړو که سبا هم د خیر چیرې میچ وګټلو نو انشاءالله امید داسې دی چې 98% بیا زموږ امکانات شته چې سیمي فاینل ته لاړ شو په خیر په ټول فوکس هم سبا میچ باندې دی
ډېر مننه
مننه
Thank you, Hamid. Mohammed Ibrahim, you're next. Mohammed, can you hear us?
حمید یو ځل بیا سلام وروره د مجیب او د رحمان الله په اړه باندې خلک پوښتنې کوي د هغوی صحت په اړه باندې که څه هم دا ستاسې مسؤلیت هم نه دی خو بیا هم از ا ټیم ریپرزنټیټیو استازي په توګه باندې دواړه په کوم حالت کې دي سبا سیالۍ دپاره
یا ابراهیم جان زه دې کې څه ویلی نه شم ځکه ماشاءالله پرون خو ګربز هم هغه د ګراونډ کې دې لیدو ښه ولګیا هغې نه بعد مې لیدو الحمدلله ښه مجیب هم یم سبي په څه خبره په بریکفاسټ کې ولیدلو هغه هم ښه نو ښه خبره به دی که تاسو د منیجر نه یا زموږ د ټاپ منیجمنټ نه پوښتنه وکړئ هغوی به درته ښه جواب درکړي خو الحمدلله شکر ښه دي
مننه کور ودان
Thank you. Kaushik, do you have another question or is that the previous?
No. I just wanted to build on from what Deva had asked before.
Sure.
Hi, yeah. Hi, Hamid. So I remember in Leeds at the 2019 World Cup, the last ODI that you played against Pakistan, you had a hamstring injury and you spoke at the end of that game and you said you were not sure 2 years down the line. Sorry, there was some disturbance there. 2 years down the line, you didn't know where you were going. At that point, would you have imagined yourself playing in such a major tournament and being such a central part of the Afghanistan team once again?
Sorry, Hamid, you're on mute.
Is it okay now?
Yes, we can hear you now.
I told you before also, one of your colleagues, that I'm very self-believer person, believe on myself, believe on my Allah, that I'm never give up very quickly. And when you target something like to achieve, you have to work very hard. And what I've done from last couple of months or year, I have to say, I train very hard. I work very hard for this opportunity to get here. And I played every single game, whatever selections give me in Afghanistan. And I want also thanks to selection committee that they believe in me to give me that opportunity. So I've shown my talent to them already before and show my fitness test, whatever they required for the team to get here. I just done that, and right now I'm here, but it's still the job not done yet, and still a couple of matches left. And I want to play that very well, inshallah.
Thank you, Hamid. Faridullah Mohammadi.
Assalam Hamid Lala, salamuna oni fihile. فرید
وعلیکم.
محمدي د ټولنیز خبريال یم زما غږ اورئ
وعلیکم السلام فرید جان مننه زړه سره جوړ په خیر
کور آباد لومړی خو تاسو ته د تیرو بریاو مبارکي وایم سپیشل ستا د ښایسته توپ اچونې چې په رښتیا هم بعد د ډېر وخت نه ستاسو مینوال ستاسو په توپ اچونه باندې خوشحاله شول د سبا لوبې لپاره زموږ هغه پلان د ګټلو د دغې لوبې په ګټلو سره څومره ستاسو پران باندې بل پړاو ته لار پیدا کوو ستاسو په نظر باندې د هند ماتول ممکن دي که نه
کرکټ داسې یو لوبه ده چې هیڅ شی پکې ناممکنه نه وي هر شی پکې کیدای شي ښه نه ښه ټیم هم پکې مطلب لوبه بایللی شي لنډ مثال وي درته د ویسټ انډیز درکړم چې زموږ ورسره په 2014 کې میچ و په 130 منډو کې هغوی موږ راایسار کړو لوبه هم ترې وګټله بیا هغوی ورلډ چمپین هم شول نو موږ خپل همیشه پازیټیو سوچ ته کوشش هم همدا ده په خیر سبا لوبه وګټو انشاءالله وختي مې ویلې تقریبا بیا 80 تقریبا 90% پورې زموږ چانس شته چې پایلوبې ته په خیر نیمه پایلوبې ته لاره پیدا کړو سیمي فاینل ته بل موږ اپشن نه لرو باید ګټې ته لاړ شو چې ګټې دپاره باید موږ خپل هر هڅه کوشش وکړو د خپل ټیم دپاره د خپل وطن دپاره او د افغانستان د خلکو دپاره انشاءالله